So bottom line is, I don't have a riding video to show you, man. It was a mud bath in there, man. It was short of a bloodbath, and I got a nice cut here from a vine. But it was nothing like last year's Birch Creek. I guess I didn't play it as safe, and maybe I was going a little faster, but I failed 3 or 4 times, and I wasn't even being careless. I was just trying to keep a good pace, and just fell, man. I mean, like, I did a couple of times. I just did like a 180 on the bike because it was so muddy, and definitely got to get some mud tires, because these Dunlop T81s I think I have, man, that were just not sticking, man.